Your girl Curly Chris here. Let's go from this shrunken hair to this poppin' results using the naturally curly Tangle Teezer brush. Okay, this brush is bomb because the teeth in it are very flexible, and you can use it not only in the detangling process to get those curls popping, but also in the styling process. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do my braid outs to get the best stretch results. So first I go ahead and detangle and then apply a product to really moisturize my curls. And then for the braiding process, it is essential that you keep each piece separate and also detangle when you're about halfway through to make sure that there is no tangling, and that also helps with the elongation of your braid out and your hair overall. Did someone say nice stretched curls? I think so. Okay, and then of course we have to combine all three of those pieces, curl around the end to get those popping ends that we love, to get the bomb results like these nice stretch popping curls. Make sure to get that brush because it is a lifesaver.